I was telling my managers and my team, all right, don't spend time on reporting. What was I connecting in that moment? For instance, I have a database where I keep all my electrical bills, the metadata, the data inside the consumption, let's say if you have peak hours, all the data that it's being logged, for example, in electrical bills, in gas supplier bills, in my transactional and sales systems. I have them in silos, and I started to connect them with my maintenance. And through doing that, I was actually getting ahead of the reporting of the whole maintenance unit, because the maintenance unit needed to report how our maintenance operations according to the sales that we have. For example, if we have how many corrective maintenance per vehicle that we serve are we having. That data needed reporting, and through connecting this, I was telling my managers and my team, all right, don't spend time on reporting. Let's make this one time, one report, and it's connected already. So if we need the report next week, it's going to come up immediately, and that transformed really the way that we were using time. But tell everybody that I need you to spend time on the right things, on the important things, not spend time on Excel, doing a report every week. That takes time, that takes effort.